Many people believe that collision repair deals strictly with automobiles, when it can actually mean work on so much more. Automotive, on highway trucks, tractors and equipment, motorcycles, boats, and more. The Collision Repair Technology program provides a combination of classrooms and hands-on projects, preparing students to work in a wide range of high-demand areas. Students who complete this program have the option to open their own private business, or maybe work with a dealership, or an industry body shop. Graduates can perform all aspects of auto body repair, such as assessing damage, estimating cost, performing body repair, and refinishing vehicles. There is a high demand for graduates trained in the Collision Repair Technology program.
Here at Northeast, you can expect to be trained to use modern tools, equipment, and techniques.
This program gives me the opportunity to get out of the classroom and into the shop. We use state-of-the-art spray booths, frame machines, and welding equipment to prepare for future careers.
With this program being so hands-on, coming to school is honestly fun. We're able to use the latest technology and modern tools when we prepare and fix today's vehicles.
The classes in collision repair provide a perfect fit for someone who likes working with their hands and is artistic and can visualize a finished product. We train students for opportunities in a wide variety of job settings.
As a graduate of this program, I started in paint prep and worked my way all the way up to collision estimator. The opportunities in this field are endless.
At Northeast, our goal is for every student to graduate with the skills and knowledge needed for your next step in your career or education. Here are some program highlights for Collision Repair Technology. For more information on this program, you can send us an email or visit us online to schedule a campus visit.